Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to change the username of your Pinterest account. So if you want to change the username of your Pinterest account, first you need to open your Pinterest account, and here you need to select the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now you need to proceed to setting option. Under setting option there are lots of options will be given, but you need to select the public profile option, and here you will see there is an option called username. Here you will enter your username. Like in my case, if I enter the username alphabetazone only, it will show whether it was available or not. So it will say that username already taken, and if I add one, and again I will click on done option. Like in this case I had click on done, you can see that this username will be available and it has now been changed. So this is the way to change the username of your Pinterest account. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to change the username of your Pinterest account. If you like this video, give the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel alphabetazone.com.